Did you know that last year in Oregon, 71,449 rifle elk hunters harvested 13,294 elk, and about 3,500 of those were 5 and 6 point bulls. We know that because hunters are required to report their hunt online or by phone. If your hunt ended in 2017, you need to do that no later than January 31st, 2018. It's so easy. You can go online at www.reportmyhunt.com or call 866-947-6339. Be sure to have your hunter angler ID number, which is printed on all ODFW documents and stays the same from year to year. Report on every big game or turkey tag you purchased or were issued as part of a Sports Pac. Be sure to report even if you were not successful or did not go hunting. ODFW uses this information about effort and harvest to set tags and seasons and help track wildlife population, so it's much appreciated. And it's a great tool for hunters because all the information is posted online so hunters can see harvest and success rates across hunts and units in Oregon. One added bonus for reporting on time, everyone who does is entered to win a special deer, elk, or pronghorn tag. 3 people win this tag each year, so be sure to report by January 31st.